Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not you can generate financial reports in Wave. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm happy to finally answer it for you. Before we get started, I just want to say that I'm not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. So, let's get started. Can I generate financial reports in Wave? Yes, you can generate financial reports in Wave. However, there are a few things you need to know before you can start. First, you need to have a Wave account. If you don't have a Wave account, you can sign up for one for free. Once you have a Wave account, you need to create a chart of accounts. A chart of accounts is a list of all of your accounts, such as your income accounts, expense accounts, and asset accounts. Once you have created a chart of accounts, you can start tracking your transactions. You can track your transactions by manually entering them into Wave or by connecting your bank account to Wave. Once you have tracked your transactions, you can generate financial reports. There are a number of different financial reports that you can generate in Wave, such as income statements, balance sheets, and cash flow statements. How to generate financial reports in Wave. Here are the steps on how to generate financial reports in Wave. Go to the Reports tab in Wave. Select the type of report you want to generate. Choose the date range for the report. Click on the Generate Report button. What are the benefits of using Wave to generate financial reports? There are a number of benefits to using Wave to generate financial reports. Here are a few of the benefits. Wave is easy to use. Wave is free. Wave provides a variety of financial reports. Wave is cloud-based, so you can access your reports from anywhere. What are the limitations of using Wave to generate financial reports? There are also a few limitations to using Wave to generate financial reports. Here are a few of the limitations. Wave does not have as many features as some other accounting software programs. Wave does not support all types of businesses. Overall, I think that Wave is a great option for small businesses and freelancers who want to generate financial reports. It is easy to use, free, and provides a variety of financial reports. If you are looking for a simple and affordable way to generate financial reports, I would recommend using Wave. Here are a few additional tips for using Wave to generate financial reports. Use the Tags feature to organize your transactions. Use the Notes feature to add additional information about your transactions. Use the Custom Reports feature to create your own custom reports. In addition to the information in the video, I would also like to add that Wave has recently released a new feature called Wave Analytics. This feature allows you to create custom dashboards and reports that can be used to track your business's financial performance over time. I think that Wave Analytics is a great addition to Wave, and it makes it even more powerful tool for small businesses and freelancers. So, if you are looking for a way to track your business's financial performance, I would recommend checking out Wave Analytics. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more accounting and finance tips. I would also love to hear your thoughts on Wave in the comments below. Thanks again for watching.